Best grow room air conditioner and grow tent. We review top 5 best grow room air conditioner and grow tent. Overall best grow room air conditioner, Midea 12,000 BTUs Easycool. Smart Cool, the Midea portable air conditioner, ASHRAE rating 12,000 BTU. Wi-Fi enabled and voice control your portable AC from anywhere using 8,000 to 14,000 BTUs. Dehumidifier and fan function. LED remote control. Best portable air conditioner for grow tent, Winter ARC14S with activated carbon filter. Award-winning, 1. Good Housekeeping's 2020 Best Overall and can cool. Dual hose operation, cools up to a 500 square feet space ambient. Activated carbon filter. Dehumidifier and fan functions. 24-hour programmable timer. Best for 4x4 grow tent, BLACK+DECKER portable air conditioner. Quiet and powerful, our 8,000 BTUs DO, 14,000 BTUs ASHRAE, compact air. Cools rooms fast, this floor-standing portable AC unit provides steady, auto evaporation system. Fan and dehumidifier functions. Best mini split AC for grow room, Pioneer WISE 01217 ductless inverter air conditioner. Save money all year round with a highly efficient ductless mini split. Ultra silent and beautifully built, perfect for home or light commercial use. Refrigerant leakage detection. Two-way draining. Window AC for large grow room, Frigidaire for 0511R1E5, 000 BTU 115 volts. Install it at the window to maintain a steady temperature in your bedroom. Control the temperature prolifically with 1465.36 W cooling power. Two airway direction. 2 fan speeds. Low power startup.